Hi, I'm Caleb with the Town of Morrisville, and I'm excited to announce the start of the Morrisville Smart Shuttle. Let's take a ride. The Morrisville Smart Shuttle is a free service provided by the Town of Morrisville, operating 7 days a week and connecting riders with over 15 locations or nodes in Morrisville. The service connects riders to the surrounding area in conjunction with other local transit systems, including Go Cary, Go Triangle, and Go Durham. The service is on demand, meaning riders will schedule their pickup and drop-off through the Morrisville Smart Shuttle app on their smartphone. The Morrisville Smart Shuttle app is powered by Via Transportation and is available for download through your local iPhone or Android app store. You can also use your computer to schedule your pickup and drop-off. The Morrisville Smart Shuttle branded vehicles are provided and serviced by Go Cary, the transit provider for the town of Cary. The shuttle seats 16 passengers and includes bicycle racks and ADA accommodations, such as ramps for entering the vehicle and wheelchair tie-downs. For more information about the Morrisville Smart Shuttle service, hours of operations, location service, and other frequently asked questions, please visit our website at townofmorrisville.org/smartshuttle.